Hi all, let's start. Today's topic is deal through connection in the same report, or we can say within the report. Last session we saw how to give deal through connections in different reports, and that report should be one parent report. We can keep public folder, or target report we can keep my folder. So we have done that session deal through in different report with different folder, but today we'll give deal through connection in same report, within the report. Let's start. This is my report. I'm having two pages, one summary page, detail page, as well as one prompt page. In my prompt page, nothing there, only one prompt based on the product line. Let's run the report to see the prompt page as well as my first page. This is my page. So my requirement is I will give deal through connection from this first page to second page, means summary page to detail page. Let's start. For that I have to create one dummy parameter, or we can say hidden prompt. Just quickly create that prompt. Here the parameter name is p which page. Just finish. Now keep static trace. Copy same, my display value also same. Now another value detail. We can write in name. Make the default value first page value. Yeah, this is my default value. My dummy parameter created, that is done. Now next step, create one variable. We can create already there. Let me delete this. This is my p which page, and for this I will create two value. This name should be as same as use value for the static choice. This part done. Come to the report page. I'm saving now. As of now, what I did. So as we discussed last class, we can give deal through anywhere, either in this data item, any image, emit, any text as well. I'll write in here one text. Download report. Giving deal through connection. Let's go to definition. Then my report name is deal through in same page. That's the report name. Run the report. Make it format default. Any format we can give. Excel 2007, whatever you want. I'm taking the default format. Open new window. Yeah. So we have done deal through part. Now I'm saving the report. What I need to do, I have to create one more query to achieve this functionality. Rename the query for report. In this query, I will drag one data item and I will pass the value detail, means my second report name, I mean use value, whatever I given in static choice. Yes. Now go to here, just assign this report page to our new query. New query is query for report page. Done. Save the report. Now last step, come to here, drill through, then pass the data item p which page, data item value, this one. Yes. Also you have to do render the page. This is summary. This is detail. I am saving the report. Later on the report. Yes. Now, as I told, this is a dummy prompt, so I would like to make it hidden. Make box type none. Yes, so very simple prompt page here. Whatever you want, you can change. Let change the outdoor protection. Now this is your main page. I have to go second page through drill through from this page. Let's click download report. Now second page will come. My second page name was sales dashboard product details. It's working as expected. All clear? Okay. Now let's jump to our next topic. Thanks for watching this video.